change of power. We want to pray that Lilian have fought a good fight.
Omukoro gwakorerwa ha district ya KAGADI birungi ebe RDC Lilian rutera ho bira RDC wa KAGADI bakorire gwahikwama bebembeza handengo zona bamugamba honko munsi habire na rwanso bushomankuzi oburyari hamwe n'ubwangamba nyenko mu district ege
mbalize kandi nkozire na RDC zibayingi bayi madam RDC tinkabine yondya kuisana.
Lilian, you transformed KAGADI beyond searchable levels. One, you came to KAGADI when it had no infrastructure in terms of tarmac. The infrastructure development from Movende to KAGADI to Hoima to Chenjojo, we witnessed it in your regime.
Lilian rutera ho bira RDC wa KAGADI hamwe n'umushija we Bennett Shemerirwe basimira abantu ba KAGADI habwo kuba abantu barungi.
I've enjoyed KAGADI. I thank you. Kandi hati yukoja kuchura bwani. Nyoncha ariho nja kuja hano ndi president.
Chano chiterengaro angwe babazi.
Hati yukuchura nguma bwana DC. Niwe ndekamu. In a special way, I want to thank the team that I have been working with. The security.
If you have seen the sweetness in Lilian, what about me? Who has been with him?
Wow.
Who has been with her for the last 20 years?
That is called summary speech.
Yes.
Rutera hagumize muyagira ngo haruho bumu bwabire natunga mu butacengana n'abantu bitu nabwanyuma bakikirizana.
We almost quarrel every after an hour. As the mayor has put it down, whenever there is a problem at court, people have to come to me. Whenever there is a problem at police, people have to come to me, and I have to listen.
Hino muntu ishikiriro munso. Twena tujuiro mbiri kandi twena ntushobya. Konkani mbashaba umwabazi yogo. District ya KAGADI. I'm sorry.
They are all in tears. They are crying for losing you. But I am very optimistic that the Lord God who created you gave you a purpose. You came here, you have satisfied all that you are supposed to do here.
Abatura hamwe n'abebembezi ba district ya KAGADI bahereza Lilian rutera hebi choncho nyamwinje abwo kumusime byabakorire. Obwa hati district ya KAGADI ne RDC omusyani Nicholas Kamukama hamwe n'umukwezi we Michael Muhoza.
Our chief administrative officer, I like how the cow is doing it.
Agasha kwa Thomas tumwebaze.
Mweware.